In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a filter from a task in Wrike. When you're working in Wrike, filters are a powerful way to narrow down what you see, so you can focus on specific tasks, dates, or assignees. But sometimes, a filter that was helpful before can get in the way. Maybe you're not seeing all the tasks you expect, or your list suddenly looks much shorter than usual. In those cases, you probably just need to remove one of the active filters. Let's walk through exactly how to do that step by step in a simple and clear way. First, make sure you're in the correct view where the filter has been applied. This might be a task list, a board view, or another section of your workspace. Look at the top of the task list area, where Wrike shows which filters are currently active. You should see labels or tags that represent the filters, such as status, assignee, or other criteria. Each active filter will usually appear as a small box or chip with the filter's name on it. Inside that box, or just to the side of it, you'll see a small X icon. That X is what you use to remove the filter. To remove the filter, simply move your cursor over that filter label and click on the X above or next to it. The moment you click that X, Wrike will clear that particular filter from your view. Your task list will automatically refresh and expand to show all the tasks that were previously hidden by that filter. If you have more than one filter applied and you want to clear several of them, repeat the same action. Just click the X on each filter you no longer need. Each time you do this, your view becomes broader and more tasks will reappear. This is especially useful when you're troubleshooting why something seems to be missing. Before assuming a task was deleted or moved, always check for active filters and remove them using the X. It's a quick way to get back to a complete picture of your work. So to recap in simple terms, locate the active filter at the top of your task view, find the little X on that filter, and click it to remove the filter and restore all relevant tasks to your screen. That's all you need to do to remove a filter from a task